There must be a way to produce this steel component more cost-effectively. There must be a way to add a motor to a glider. There must be a leaner way to manufacture a car. Progress isn't always the big leap forward. Most of the time, it's a nudge here, a slightly changed setting there, the seed of an idea in our minds, tested and tinkered with, lined with failure and frustration, until suddenly, success. There must be a way to set up a more reliable steel turning process to lower the cost per part. There must be a way to minimize sudden tool breakages and utilize the machines more. We know that steel is a complex material, and it's only getting more complex. In a competitive market, it's essential to keep developing, to keep progressing, to keep fixing it, even when it isn't broken. There must be a way to get ahead of the competition. There's always a way. Visit our website to find out how to gain an edge in steel turning.